We've always wanted fiber. We know what that means in terms of what we can deliver and what it means getting our stuff online quicker, and we wanted it. Blackfoot wanted to bring those services to people and allow them to be able to afford it and then front that cost. And it completely changed the game for us because it became possible. We could afford it, it wasn't out of reach, and it wasn't more than what we needed. So they were offering packages that were small enough that, you know, that is what our business needs.
We're working on the Stockyard complex and bringing fiber to the different units here in the building. And, you know, we had a past relationship, and we visited with you guys about the possibility of Blackfoot fiber and just what that looks like. We learned quickly that upload was a primary concern and that fiber would be the best solution. And it worked well with our initiative to try to bring fiber into this complex. Can be, for the bandwidth, you can get more bandwidth for a great price. A big side of that, if you're technical, is the upload element. You know, what you had before was probably 10 meg upload, maybe 15, 20. Yep. But now you're at 100, and so that's a big change. That, you know,
definitely the connectivity in terms of latency, packet loss, stuff like that. When we're hardwired on a 10 gigabyte network to fiber optic provided by Blackfoot, it's crazy. Finally getting that service and getting that quality of connection is so noticeable, it's almost like unrealistic. And the nice part is also knowing that there's still more there if we want it, so it could be faster. And it's 10 times better than what we had before. Like, legitimately 10 times better. So we've been very happy, and our clients are happy, and our jobs are getting done quicker, so yeah, it makes everything easier. When we've worked with Blackfoot, everyone seems like a family. That's how we run our business. We're all really close. We like to get down to the nitty-gritty, be honest with each other, and know what's there and what's not. And so finding another company that has the same types of values and relationship with their clients is really wholesome. And I feel like it gives us that confidence to know that we're comfortable moving forward with a company like Blackfoot.